Evening, everybody, and happy Easter Monday to you all. In this week's Black Money Traders weekly market recap, I will, as usual, go over the COVID-19 game as to where we're at. I will have a quick look at the major markets, give my 2 cents on where I think the market is going to go, and how to trade it going forward. So please join me as we move through this week's market. So here are the COVID-19 numbers. If you remember from last week, I believe we were at 1.2 million. We're a little over 2 million now as of today, so it's almost doubled. As you can see, the curve is still going up quite high. The US numbers are still quite high. So how is this market different from normal? The price volatility is really abnormal. This means that price swings up and down for all stocks, big, well-established companies, and even the small ones. For example, Boeing has been up 80%, down 30%, then up 25%. Boeing is a big company. We usually don't see moves like that in big companies. Those are usually penny stock type moves. So the market remains a short-term traders market. So here's the graph of the chart of the S&P. So as you can see, we broke the downward trend a couple of weeks ago, and I said that before I would be long on anything, I would like to see a rising bottom. So we found support down here, then we broke the downward trend line and moved into an upward trend line pattern. So now we've hit a pullback, like I said early last week, and then it's come back down again and found support. So now you have this stepping or the rising bottom, which is positive for the market. You will find that most of the charts look almost identical. Here's the Dow again, the same thing. We have that rising bottom now. We're into an upward trend line. The same with the NASDAQ as well. So again, still very much a short-term traders market. There is loads of money to be made if you can be nimble and in and out of your stocks in a day or so. I'm not holding anything overnight, and if you join me for the trade of the day, which was today, I'll show you on a quick video how that played out during the day. So just remember, the market is changing directly very quickly. The Dow can be up 500 points, and then it can be down 300. So there's huge swings. There's a lot of negative information in the media. So if you go back to, for those of you that are in my trading fundamentals course, if you go back to the first chapter where we talk about bias information, negativity tends to sell way better than positive news. So I watch the news. You look at the COVID-19 chart that I just showed you. Everything's falling apart. It seems so dark, and the future of the market is dark. But you know what? We will get through this. You look at every major crash that's ever happened, the market has come back bigger and stronger. You look at the financial crash, which led to the strongest and the longest bull market that we have ever seen. So there is money to be made. You just need to be nimble. So like I said, plan your trades and trade your plan. And take care for now. Please like and subscribe to the video and leave any comments below. Thanks very much. Take care.